Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll be sharing a small project with you. That is this tea bag dispenser. I made it 2 days ago. I have been busy with festivals and things like that, so not crafting a lot, but I took some time and made this little project. So this is a tea bag dispenser, tea tower, and that's the top of the tea tower. So I used a chipboard and wrapped it with the designer paper and used some stickers, dimensional stickers, and used some foam tapes inside this. And so this is the front, happy moments. This is also a sticker, and this is the side, tea, it says tea, and the other side, and that is this one right here. And so it is going to open up like this, like so, and you can insert all the tea bags here and then close it back like this, and from the side you can take a tea bag like this, and this size of tea bags fit perfectly inside. So I really enjoyed making this. I'll be making a few more to gift my near and dear ones. So thanks for being here with me today, and I'll be back with some other project for that. Bye bye.